What's going on, everybody? Dan Unfiltered checking out Linkin Park. Apparently, my journey through Linkin Park is not quite over yet. Kevin, appreciate you, homie, found White Noise. Apparently, this isn't a bonus track or anything like that. It's specifically on this Little Mall movie's soundtrack. I've never heard of the movie, so I looked it up, and it's apparently directed by Joe Hahn. That explains it. That is why they did it. Gotcha. And it came out in I think it was 2014. It said, so that was around the Hunting Party album. So that's the sound I'm expecting, something hunting party-ish. But let's check this out. Hit like, subscribe. It's gonna be a sad day once all the straggler songs are gone, and I will have officially heard every single Linkin Park song. This could be the day. This could be the last one. I'm not sure if they have any other little stragglers and stuff like that. I'm not sure. This might be it. Nice bell intro. Classic Linkin Park. Can't say it didn't lack energy. Holy shit. That was a sudden explosion. Only about 4 bars long, though. Come on, Linkin Park. Can't do that to me. Hopefully, either in the next chorus or I'm assuming there'll be one right before the outro. Usually, Linkin Park does that. Hopefully, they'll prolong it. Because that's not enough. 4 bars of that, I need that energy for at least 8 to 12 bars. I need more. That was fire, though. Kind of out of nowhere. It's like a little grenade of Chester. I like this detail. We're coming back. We're coming back. One more. Come on. Come on. Here we go. And they did it. They prolonged it heavy at the end there. They kind of like tripled it up. I really love when anytime a band right before the chorus has some cue. Like here, it was the bells that they started the song with. They also put them before every chorus, which kind of was like, what the hell's going on? And then you got screamed at by Chester right in your face. Hair blew back. That was great. That was great. But then I guess it was before the second chorus, I believe. Not only were there the bells. Oh no, it was after the second chorus. The cue came from the drummer, just a couple, and then we went right back into it. Nice, 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 nice. And then of course Chester owned the finale. It's hard to beat a Linkin Park finale when Chester's just blowing fireworks at you. Like that was good. Hopefully, this is not the final Linkin Park song for me. Hopefully, there's still something out there on some bonus track, maybe a Japanese edition I haven't heard of, something, somewhere. Maybe an acoustic version of something. I don't know. A man can hope that there's something that I haven't heard yet, because I've got all their albums. I've heard all their albums now. Now this, I think I've heard their bonus tracks. I think. And I have Mike Shinoda's album, which I'm doing very soon. But even if it's good, which so far from the song or two I've heard, good, but you're not gonna beat Shinoda, Han, and Chester. Just not gonna beat that. Just not gonna beat that sound. But let me know what you guys think. And have you seen the movie Mall? I don't know if I should give it a shot. It's a really small movie. I don't know. Maybe. My only question though is how the fuck did they fit this song into a movie? And I think it was a drama, it said. I have no idea how you're gonna I guess during the credits. That's the only way. There's no way during a drama movie are you gonna fit in that song. Too much screaming. Like it wouldn't fit seamlessly. Yeah, it has to be the credits. Has to be. But let me know. And Kevin, appreciate you, homie. Don't know how you found this. No idea. You must be a big LP fan. Have to be. Just, I never would have found this. If you are still here, then you are a real one.